weather is in the Kimball County area and KIMBN Network Blogspot is on top of it. From the Kimball Storm Center, this is a breaking weather update protected by State Farm Insurance. Visit them at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball. Here is the special weather report. Special weather report. A high wind warning is in effect from 9 a.m. this morning to 9 p.m. tonight. Northwest winds at 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour is expected for in Nebraska, Banner County, Cheyenne County, Kimball County, Morrill County, and Scotts Bluff County, and in Wyoming, East Laramie County from 9 a.m. this morning to 9 p.m. tonight. Impacts are mainly to transportation. Strong cross winds will be hazardous to lightweight or high-profile vehicles, including campers and tractor-trailers. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or stronger can lead to property damage. A high wind warning begins at 9 a.m. this morning and will continue until 9 p.m. tonight. Stay tuned for additional updates. This significant weather update is protected by Joe Mejia of State Farm Insurance of Kimball Insurance, located at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball.
Caitlin Clark from the logo!
You know, life would be easier if I could do everything from the logo.
Allow me to assist.
Pickles. It worked! Buckets. Now that's a tomato. Sheboygan.
The answer is Sheboygan.
They match. P-E-Z-O-L. Bottom row?
From the logo.
State Farm with the assist.
Contact Joe Mejia of State Farm at 308-230-2200. You can also visit Joe Mejia Insurance Agency Incorporated online at kimballinsurance.net. Open hours are Tuesday through Thursday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and closed Friday through Monday. Also open evenings and Saturdays by appointment. We are located at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball next to H&R Block.